This should be day 4 of the 10K challenge, and we've been on a wild ride. You can see that 5 days ago I did it, but I skipped some days, did some other things. It's actually day 4, it seems. We'll go over how I got to 50% up at 60% up at 16K. I was at 20K before I went to sleep. There were big mistakes that happened. For example, and I'll go over a lot of that, a lot of those. Just an example, on this trade right here, I was up 4 grand or 4.5, and it had to close at 5. It was the XTZ trade, XTZ long. Where is it? Here it is. So XTZ, just let me show you this, and then we'll go over a lot of cool things because this strategy works. I'll show you my odds, everything that I'm doing. I won't show you 100% of what I do for this strategy because it's weird. I'm doing a lot of trades. We're talking 50 to 100 trades a day. But check this out. At here, I was going to be up. How much on this trade? 4 grand, 4.1. And it pretty much closed, but it hit the resistance 3 times. So basically, I'm left with minus 600 right now. So we need another test up, and we nearly got stopped out as well. That was going to be very unfortunate because it's a minus 3K loss. So I'm basically down in 3 point something K from just not closing this because I wasn't awake. And I have this for a few other trades. I'm doing very big trades for my size, but it's hedged. It's a very weird strategy. We'll go over it, but before we start, keep in mind the video is no financial advice. I want to be fully transparent, but keep in mind I'm no financial advice. I'm a random dude on the internet. Do your own homework. What I'm doing is trying to document growing a 10K account, basically a small account, with a high risk strategy. If you want to follow all my trades, it's just 99 bucks a month. It's in the link in the description below. We're not that many people, and I have some expenses around the group. Have someone helping me out because there's a lot of calculations that go into all of this. Let me just show you part of the calculations and what odds are we getting right now. Let me open my trading spreadsheet. Okay, so here it is. So on my trading spreadsheet, you can see that so far, I think you need to zoom in. Okay, we have 82 wins, 62 losses, a 57%-ish win odds. If you divide the win to lose, the minimum you should get per trade, risk to reward is 0.75. We're up 18 trades though from this. Even though we're up 20, we're actually up 18. This without the current trades. And it means that we're getting 13% margin, which is basically 13% divided by 2, 6.5. We're getting like 56% odds. Meaning from 100 trades, we should be at 56. From 1,000, if we're risking 1,000 per trade, from 100 trades, with this ROI per trade expected value, we should get 12 grand in 100 trades. And 100 trades is pretty much what I'm doing right now in 1 to 2 days. So yeah, I will be lowering the risk. It's kind of high on some trades. I'm risking 700, or some trades I'm risking 3,000. Should be around 1 grand risk average. I'm not that worried if we blow this 10K. I'm more interested in getting this to 1 million because it's gonna be very fun if that happens. But yeah, we're profitable. We have the odds. It all comes down to having a good streak right now to build up some capital. It would be good if I don't raise the risk until probably 30K. That would be really good. So at 30K, we might raise the risk. Hopefully we get to 30K today or tomorrow. I don't know. It's going to be hard because that's pretty much a double up. I'll show you all the trades. We're 16 grand again. I was at 2021, I believe, when I was asleep. Now it's 7:35 a.m. Woke up at around 5. I was at 14.9. Now we're slowly getting to 16 because a lot of the longs were down. I'm using pretty much all the analysis that I'm doing on the price predictions. It's kind of what I'm doing for my strategy, but I do it, yeah, basically 30-minute, 5-minute time frame, 4-hour as well on some trades, and I try to hedge my bets. But the issue is that I was king yesterday, by the way. That's why I didn't manage to record any price predictions. So it was a little harder for me to trade yesterday, but I did. I had my phone, my iPad with me, and I was able to trade on the go. Let me know your thoughts about the projects. Do you want to see these videos daily? I can make them if you want. And see you next one. Bye.